To add a SKU to Shopify, start by understanding what a SKU is. A SKU, or stock keeping unit, is a unique code assigned to a product or variant to track inventory and sales. In Shopify, you can add a SKU to each product variant to efficiently manage your store's inventory. First, go to your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the Products section. Click on the product you want to add a SKU to, and then click on the Edit button. In the Product Details page, scroll down to the Variants section. If you have multiple variants of the same product, such as different sizes or colors, click on the variant you want to add a SKU to. In the Variant Details, you will see a field labeled SKU. Click on this field and enter your desired SKU code. The SKU code should be unique and descriptive, making it easy to identify the product and variant. For example, if you are selling a blue t-shirt with the product name Summer Tea, your SKU code could be SumTBlueS. After entering the SKU code, click on the Save button to save the changes. Repeat this process for each product variant to ensure all your products have a unique SKU code. It is essential to use a consistent naming convention for your SKUs to avoid confusion and make it easier to track your inventory. Adding a SKU to your Shopify products is crucial for efficient inventory management and sales tracking. By following these steps, you can easily insert a SKU into your Shopify product variants and streamline your store's operations. Remember to keep your SKU codes unique, descriptive, and consistent to get the most out of your Shopify store.